The TEAMGROUP? The G.Skill or Kingston? Perhaps the CORSAIR or the XPG? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 DDR5 RAM for gaming available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here is the top 5 best DDR5 RAM for gaming. The 5th product on this list is the CORSAIR Dominator Platinum. Since quite some time ago, CORSAIR has had a good deal of popularity in the RAM sector. The Vengeance, LPX, Pro, and RGB are just a few of the many products they provide, and it would be a mistake to leave the Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 kit off today's list. It's a fantastic product that combines dependability, high capacity, quick frequency, and superb appearance. They're basically all the things we're looking for in an efficient kit. What's more, it is available in black or white, so it will go nicely with any setup. Not to mention, each one is 16 GB in capacity. In a dual-channel design, these modules provide a combined total of 32 GB. This 288-pin DDR5 kit operates at a high frequency of 5200 MHz, making it ideal for work and gaming. The CORSAIR Dominator DDR5 RAM kit works flawlessly with the new chip generations, thanks to its high frequencies, capacity, and low CAS latency. With the latest, most effective platform available, 16 GB of RAM is still more than sufficient for gaming. To top it all off, CORSAIR makes boosting with CORSAIR iQ software more effortless, precise, and stable than ever. Its pros are: it has an excellent design and efficient performance. It features an elite RGB solution with excellent iQ software compatibility, and it has high frequencies and capacity with respectable CAS latency. However, it has no RGB lights, which many users prefer when gaming. The CORSAIR Dominator Platinum DDR5 memory enables your system to operate at rates, capacities, and performance levels that were not possible before. Up next in 4th place is the Kingston Fury Beast CL40. The large American multinational corporation Kingston is a leader in storage, computer memory, and flash memory products. And it's fair to say that the first thing that comes to mind when you consider an external drive or a USB is the brand name, especially in terms of credibility and quality. The launch of the Z690 chipset and the 12th generation Intel Alder Lake processors coordinated with the introduction of Kingston Fury. This DDR5 RAM kit excels in speed, capacity, and dependability by considering everything. No matter what you're doing, 4K gaming, 3D animation, or video editing, the Fury Beast is ideal. There are 4 versions of the Fury Beast currently, but most people recommend choosing one of the two 32 GB kits. Performance-wise, the 4800 MHz and 5200 MHz are incomparable. Those aren't the only things you can look forward to if you buy this model. This memory kit has a thoughtful design and prominent branding all over the DIMM, giving it a professional appearance. On top of that, you'd be happy to know that it is XMP 3.0 approved, which should make overclocking simpler. In terms of features, the Kingston Fury Beast is the best gaming DDR5 RAM. This kit is qualified by the world's leading motherboard manufacturers. Plus, you'd have the peace of mind knowing that it's tested and approved, so you can build and upgrade with confidence on your preferred motherboard. Its pros are: it's a heat spreader with a modest profile and a very trustworthy brand. It has excellent performance for the simple style, and it's XMP 3.0 ready and certified by Intel. However, it's a little too slow for DDR5 6000, and there's no RGB lighting. The Kingston Fury Beast CL40 has the best DDR5 RAM for gaming in terms of characteristics. It's perfect, especially for beginners who are just starting on setting up their gaming system and want something reliable. Still haven't found any DDR5 RAM for gaming that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the XPG Lancer. We're all after the greatest manufacturers that can offer the best RAM, one that can provide good performance without breaking the bank. Well, the XPG Lancer is one of the best options for the job. This kit has an excellent price-to-performance ratio, making it a fantastic choice. It comes with 2 DIMMs that are 16 GB each, and run at 5200 MHz. This means that you can be assured these RAM DIMMs would operate well, particularly in dual channel mode. You can set the RGB lighting to your preferences with a selection from various effects, including static, breathing, and comets, or use music mode to sync the lights to your favorite tunes. All this is possible using RGB control software from the top motherboard manufacturers. This model also has integrated power management to improve power supply stability. This kit is more power sufficient than DDR4 because of its lower operating voltage. With support for Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, overclocking is made possible with this model, and it has a built-in heatsink that guarantees that high temperatures don't cause performance to drop. Besides that, these RAM sticks beat most of the competitors and even their predecessors, thanks to the relatively low power consumption and lifetime warranty guarantee. Its pros are, it has low power usage compared to earlier generations, it delivers up to double the capacity of DDR4 and produces less heat, and it provides highly reliable performance at all times. However, it has no support for upgrading. The XPG Lancer is a power-efficient kit with high-quality materials that guarantee dependable overclocking and consistent performance, making them the perfect choice for picky gamers. The second product on this list is the G.Skill Trident Z5. These days, the DDR5 has become more and more popular because of its quick speed, excellent overclocking capabilities, and outstanding performance. Since we're talking about performance hunters, the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB series is an ultimate must-have. This RAM kit leads to a new world of performance and delivers extremely fast data transfer rates. The Trident Z5 was professionally constructed to ensure optimal performance. It has a power management integrated circuit chip, which is in charge of enhancing signal integrity and supplying more sustainable power. But that's not all. This kit also provides two Trident Z5 RAM DIMMs with a combined memory capacity of 32 GB. Yep, you heard that right. Your PC will certainly be future-proof with this unit. What's more, this RAM kit operates at a maximum frequency of 6000 MHz, which is pretty fast even for a high-end PC. Given that this kit includes two RAM DIMMs, you can also experience consistent dual-channel overclocking performance on every motherboard. Another highlight which you will absolutely love is that it has a stunning RGB light bar that is easily synchronized with the system lighting and has various customization options. Finally, it can manage Intel's XMP 3.0 or Intel's Dynamic Memory Boost technology, and it automatically overclocks or reduces RAM speeds based on software usage based on user profiles. Its pros are, it has enhanced overclocking capabilities plus excellent control over speed efficiency. It incorporates hypercar elements into the iconic Trident heat spreader design, creating a sleek cybertech look, and it features customizable RGB lighting through the G.Skill lighting control software or supported third-party motherboard software. However, it is worth noting that you will probably have to update your BIOS settings for your PC to boot with them properly. The G.Skill Trident Z5 is a DDR5 RAM with a unique design and high build quality that will never disappoint you and your gaming setup. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals in each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top DDR5 RAM for gaming is the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta. TEAMGROUP is one of the most well-known companies on the market that sells a variety of high-quality RAM kits, and their T-Force Delta is here to prove the brand's worth. If you're looking for a high-quality RAM option for your next PC build, this is the kit for you. This kit leads the way into a new OC generation, thanks to its compatibility with Intel 600 series chipset. It comes with 2 sticks, each with a 16 GB capacity, based on the most recent DDR5 generation technologies. This means the combined memory capacity given by these RAM sticks is 32 GB at a speed of 6400 MHz, the highest rate a DDR5 RAM can operate. You'll also love that this RAM kit works with the latest Z690 chip motherboards and motherboards from AMD and Intel. Speaking of other features, these RAM sticks support Intel XMP 3.0 for overclocking and have controllable RGB illumination. Even the RAM's build quality and aesthetics are pretty slick. Not only that, you'd be amazed that this kit delivers a refreshing visual experience and continues to offer the 120-degree ultra-wide lighting and clean geometric silhouette. On top of all these remarkable features, purchasing this RAM kit comes with a lifetime warranty. which helps ease your worries about lifespan and durability. Overall, we think this is the most comprehensive DDR5 RAM kit for gaming available and well worth investing in if you want to get the best out of your PC rig. Its pros are: it has 120-degree ultra-wide lighting and supports various lighting effects software. It supports Intel XMP 3.0 for one-click overclocking. It supports on-die ECC, which offers error correction and detection to ensure that system stability is not compromised for performance. And it operates at the highest clock rate available, reducing latency and making your whole system faster. However, it seems to have issues syncing with MSI motherboards. The TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta is a brilliant system that aims to provide the ultimate performance for your gaming PC. It is recommended for any gamer who wants to upgrade their system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.